Hey there, my friends. I, I seriously don't even know what's wrong with me today. I just did a whole project wondering why no one commented, thinking, well, maybe I'm just the only one here tonight. I never hit live. So I have this great project that I just finished all by myself, talking to myself. So I got to come up with something else to show you. Ay. But we will. No worries. I can show you this project. It was super cute. I have no idea. I explained the whole thing. The dog was super interested. I don't know. And then when I went to shut it off, it said, "You're now live." I'm like, no, I'm not. I've been live. No, I haven't. But see? I wondered what I was doing. Talking to myself here, Susan. Really? And I did not drink any wine. I didn't do anything. Really, I'm just like baffled. I've never done that before. So hey, first time for everything. Hey Lana. Okay, so this is what I made, but we'll start again. So I have this cool tray, and I took these beads and I got really messy with them. They're strung, and then we glued them in here. Right? Unbelievable. I thought I was running it and I was ending it. But anywho, this is the tray. I was going to do this with you, but let's do something else. I have a little tray over here that I kind of messed up before, but it needs a little something, so it'll be good. All right, so this is a Dollar Tree tray. This is literally $1. So this needs, we're going to do it differently though. We are going to put this is our sage, and we're going to put some sage in our little cup. How is everybody's week? I hope better than mine in technology. Between last night's fiasco, which I fessed up and showed you, I did come back and work on it. Last night was that pellet thing that just didn't do what I wanted. So I've sanded and sanded and sanded. Thanks, Shannon. I should have called you and your sander. And then I chalk painted it. It just didn't come out the way I love it, so we'll never speak of it again. I know. I definitely feel like I need wine. But this is how it came out. I kind of thought this idea of it would be cool to have like that space in there. It's just a little too much space, but it's kind of cool. Live in the moment. That was what I had hoped it would do, and it surely didn't do it last night. But it came out cool today. But we'll probably not talk about this again. Or I'll just keep it here to remind me to stay humble. All right, so we are going to paint this with our sage. I don't hate it. I don't. I like it a whole lot more than I was liking it last night, that's for sure. You probably saw today where I announced about Chalk Fest. It's something Couture is doing. It's tomorrow. The times are listed on our Facebook group. And they've talked to 20 different designers, and they're all going to do different projects. It should be really cool. I know, I really liked the bead idea. So what I did with the beads was, this is a bag of beads that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I did the same kind of paint, only I watered it even more, and I got messy actually. I put the paint in the bucket and then covered them a little, and then I took my hand and just kind of pulled it through my hand so that the other beads, the orange beads, I'm talking about how I did the green ones. I'm into beads right now. I'm loving them. And And I just got another bag yesterday from Amazon. So now I'll be making beads and everything. And I love the way they pick up the color. And I'm not really a frilly bow kind of person. So I like the beads instead. All right, well, this wasn't my project tonight. So I wasn't prepared. This is a little tiny tray, but it's kind of cute. I did inspire in the last one. All right, I'm probably going to have to come back. I'm being really careful around the edges, but I'm still going to have to come back and do the sides because it's going to look bad. I don't want to keep you here all night since I thought I already did it. I am. All right, so there's that. Let's dry you for a minute. And then, I don't know what I want it to say. I'm loving the paint thing, and you know I don't get messy, and I actually do like it. And you can do it with me. I want my houses. Where are they? Okay, so then these are the designs that go on the little houses. These guys, right? Love this transfer, but there's this really great family in here that I want to use, this one. And so family is going to go right in there. And again, I've used this a bunch, so I don't need to fuzz it. I want it to go in the middle. There's that. And I want, is that straight? Yes. And I want to use my white. This is a quickie. Once I got the paint done, I'm gonna have to go back and do around the edges, but I will. Right? So simple. So this would be great if you were going to give a gift to someone. You could just put some cookies in here. You know, even wrapped in something. I'm not sure. Unless they want it to go like up the house. You know, like do they want to go this way? I don't know. Oh my gosh, I love it. So cool. So simple. I feel like maybe that it goes this way. I think it goes like that. I love that. So cute. Oh, wait, I have an idea. Let's get a little more of this green going. If you have to go, I get it. But let me see what I can do with this. Right, cellophane with a bow, it would be gorgeous, right? Let me see if I can get this, just these edges done. And it's really a watercolor wash. It's not, I told you the other day that the reason I like doing this with the paste is because I can get the actual color that matches our chalk paste. And I feel like if I did this with some kind of an acrylic, I wouldn't get the same color. And you know I like things to match. Go across. Whoops, I'm glad it's a little tray. What about if I did this and we put like a collection of beads in the corners? I don't have enough to do another string like the big tray, but we could just do one in each corner. It kind of changes it from being just a dollar tray. You know, dresses it up a little. Could be an Easter Bunny gift. And they did have tons of these. They also have these cute little baskets, not baskets, like crates. I don't have any over here. They're over in the closet. We were just there today. The chocolates that I wanted, yep, they would be good in there. A chocolate bunny. Yeah, I wouldn't eat out of this per se. I would put some cellophane down first because it's just paint. I don't know, I'd want to eat off the paint. Okay, that looks better. All right, we'll let you dry. But if we took these guys and just pop those in the corner. Yep. Pop those guys in the corners. That would look kind of cool. Right? I could do them in colors too. We'll see what we're going to do with the beads. But in the short term, we are going to take this burlap that I really liked. This is, again, dollar store. But it's like not crunchy. You know sometimes how burlap comes out and it's really hard and not pretty? This is great. Now that I'm hooked on sandpaper, put that like that. Where's my scissors? Even on the little tray, this is like so flexible. Love it. Right? So cute. So the reason I'm showing you these kinds of ideas is just because you've got the transfers that you said, oh, they go with the houses. That's where they need to go. It isn't. They could go with anything. This transfer is supposed to be for the porch. But you know what? It doesn't have to be. Oh, I have beads all floating in here. Sorry. Get the beads out of there. Just because you think that's what it's for, it doesn't mean it has to be. It can be used with something else. So we've got these two. I'm telling you, I'm going to have the biggest little buffet line going. I have trays for everything. I do love that green. Sage is its color, and I love it. Just a little something, right? But aren't those cool? I love them. And I didn't do them all the way around. I just did them. I just glued them in the corners so that I could pop it out if I wanted to do something else with it. And I thought about doing like the botanical flowers in here would be kind of cool too. But we'll see. All right, everybody. Now I really did do something. Goodness, I can't believe I did the whole thing before and I wasn't even here. Some things to remember. Make sure you're in the classroom. If you're not there, be there, be square. You're going to miss out. Make sure you're in there. Yes, it's free. Make sure that you check out Chalk Fest tomorrow. I've never been to one, so it will be all new for me too. My afternoon's kind of crazy, but I will be in and out, and I'll make sure to check it out. Remember, the times are Mountain Time. I'm terrible with telling you what the other time is, so check it. If you Google it, it will tell you what time it is in your time. And the link is there. And I think if you go into the Facebook event, it will change it to your time zone and tell you what time you need to be there. But anywho, have a wonderful weekend. I will be around. I'll pop in sometime tomorrow. And I've got something going on Sunday for you too. So we'll be talking. See you soon. Bye.